Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to align two text in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this text 1 and text 2. Okay. Okay. First of all, select text 1 and hold Ctrl. Select text 2. Okay. Align right, left, middle, and side. Hold Ctrl. Align up, down, middle. That's it. Secondly, hold Ctrl, align middle, press Ctrl Z, hold Ctrl, select the background, align background middle, right, left, middle, up, down, center. Okay, done.